In this video, we are going to discuss about how soap actually works. It's more than cleaning. Soap, so ordinary, so commonplace, yet so incredibly powerful. A humble champion in our daily lives. Every time you wash your hands, lathering up with that familiar scent, you're unleashing a microscopic superhero, a tiny but mighty force against invisible armies of germs. It's not just about cleaning. It's more than just a quick scrub. It's a fascinating battle of chemistry and physics happening in mere seconds, right in the palm of your hand. Your hands collect bacteria, picking them up from every surface you touch, viruses, those sneaky invaders, grime all day, a cocktail of unseen elements. Some are harmless, just along for the ride, but others, the pathogenic ones, can make you sick, turning your world upside down. Rinsing with water alone, a seemingly simple solution, it barely budges the most stubborn germs, leaving them clinging stubbornly thanks to oily coatings that help them cling to your skin, creating a protective barrier. Enter soap, not just a cleaner, but a meticulously designed weapon, a molecular demolition crew ready to dismantle the enemy. Soap's mission, should it choose to accept it, break apart the bonds that hold germs and dirt to your skin, freeing you from their grasp. It surrounds, engulfing the unwanted particles, attacks, relentlessly targeting the grime, dismantles them on a molecular level, breaking them down into harmless components. With a bit of water and scrubbing, the dynamic duo, you activate this chemical marvel, unleashing its full potential. So next time you reach for soap, that unassuming bar or pump, see it as a shield, your first line of defense, and a brilliant piece of science, a testament to human ingenuity. We're about to dive into the hidden world of molecules, exploring the microscopic battleground, and reveal soap's secret identity, uncovering its fascinating properties. Discover how its unique structure gives it these incredible powers, allowing it to perform its cleaning magic. See how it wages war on germs to keep us safe, protecting us from illness and disease. Prepare to be amazed by the science hiding in plain sight, a world of wonder within a simple bar. You'll never look at a simple bar of soap the same way again, now that you know its secrets. Soap. It's something we use every day, often without a second thought. But have you ever stopped to consider just how this everyday substance works? To truly understand soap's remarkable power, let's zoom into the molecular level and explore the science behind its effectiveness. Each individual soap molecule possesses a unique structure. It has a water-loving head, also known as a hydrophilic head, and on the other end, it features an oil-loving tail, scientifically referred to as a hydrophobic tail. The hydrophilic head readily dissolves in water, it's naturally drawn to it. Conversely, the hydrophobic tail actively dives into oils, seeking them out. And crucially, it also embeds itself into grease, breaking it down. This remarkable split personality is what allows soap to effectively connect water and oil, two substances that, under normal circumstances, simply refuse to mix. On your hands, those pesky germs often find refuge, cleverly hiding within oily grime that water alone simply can't penetrate or touch. But soap comes to the rescue. Its hydrophobic tails eagerly bury themselves deep into the grease, while simultaneously the hydrophilic heads reach outwards, actively seeking contact with the surrounding water. Acting as tiny, yet incredibly effective connectors, these soap molecules create a bridge between the oil and the water. And just like that, the grime is completely surrounded, loosened from the skin, and fully prepared to be effortlessly washed away. This ingenious molecular mechanism is the underlying secret behind soap's extraordinary cleaning superpower. Now, the real action begins. Many viruses, like the flu, are wrapped in a fatty membrane, soap's favorite target. Soap's tails wedge into this membrane, prying it apart and destroying the virus. The virus is dismantled, its infectious power gone. For bacteria and dirt, soap forms spheres called micelles, trapping grime inside. The water-loving heads face out, ready for rinsing. When you rinse, water grabs the soap and everything it's trapped. The germs and grime are swept away. Mission accomplished. Soap doesn't just move germs, it destroys and removes them. Imagine, if you will, your hands under the unblinking eye of a powerful microscope before you even think about washing them. What do you see? A teeming metropolis of bacteria, specks of dirt clinging stubbornly to the skin, and lurking amongst them, the ever-present threat of viruses. Rinsing with water alone barely disturbs this microscopic city. It's like a light drizzle on a bustling metropolis. Most germs stay put, comfortably protected by the natural oils of your skin. They're practically waterproof. Now, the game changer? Add soap and scrub thoroughly for a full 20 seconds. Billions of soap molecules flood in, a veritable army descending upon the microscopic landscape, their tails aggressively attacking grime, breaking it down and loosening its grip, and viruses dismantling their protective layers, forming micelles, tiny cages, around bacteria, trapping them for removal. Scrubbing ensures the soap reaches every nook and cranny, every hidden crevice. Rinsing then pulls everything away, the soap, the grime, the captured germs. The landscape is transformed. A dramatic shift has occurred. Most harmful germs are gone, swept away and washed down the drain, disappearing from your world. Your hands aren't sterile, of course, but the dangerous visitors have been evicted, their reign of terror ended. The difference is dramatic, from a crowded, risky city, teeming with potential threats, to a clean, safe park, a haven of tranquility and well-being. This is the remarkable power of proper hand washing, a simple act with profound consequences. Every time you wash with soap, you create this incredible transformation, protecting yourself and others. It's science in action, a microscopic battle waged and won, right in the palm of your hands. That's the real, almost unbelievable magic of soap. The simple act of washing your hands is a drama of chemical engineering. Soap isn't just a cleaner, it's a lifesaver, a technology dating back thousands of years. Science is everywhere, in your kitchen, in the sky, and in your bathroom. Understanding how soap works gives you the power to protect your health. Knowledge turns simple habits into smart choices. Stay curious, ask how things work, experiment, and explore. The world is full of hidden wonders, waiting for you to discover. When you see with the eyes of a scientist, everything becomes extraordinary. If you liked it, tap that like and hit subscribe so you don't miss what's next.